Yeah, he's not going to be a minor in 2 weeks. I've carried insurance on this kid for 16 years, and you're telling me at the very end she wants to change it all of a sudden now? That makes 0 sense.
Okay, we're not right now. The question was,
enjoy the video, hit the like button.
Mr. Levonic, can you state your full name for the record, please?
Yeah, it's Gregory Heath Levonic.
Thank you. And Ms. McBride, can you state your full name for the record?
Misty Michelle McBride.
Thank you. And Mr. Gill, can you state your name and who you represent?
Yeah, my name is Jeffrey Will, and I represent Misty Levonic.
Okay, thank you.
McBride.
And Ms. McBride and Mr. Levonic, can you both please raise your right hands to be sworn in?
Yep.
And Mr. Levonic, is your hand up?
Yeah, it is right there.
Okay. Do you each solemnly swear that any testimony you give today will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, thank you. You can lower your hands. And counsel for the Attorney General's office, please state your name.
Nice, Lindsay Simone for the state.
Thank you. And Ms. Simone, where are we today on this?
Your Honor, today we are asking for temporary orders for child support and health insurance for the child. And the issue of unreimbursed medical will be reserved for final.
Okay. Are there any agreements?
I believe there's agreement as to the amount of child support that should be ordered. I do not believe there's an agreement as to who should be the person to carry the health insurance.
Okay. And in addition, Your Honor, I thought last time we were here, he was ordered to provide his insurance cards to my client.
She has insurance cards, and she gets them mailed to her. I don't even know why this is a question.
Sir, please don't interrupt. You're going to get a chance to respond in a moment, but please let him speak.
Okay, well, we would like something today. Okay, if he can take a picture of it, if he can get online and give us all that information. And frankly, what we're going to do, we're going to ask that she be the one who really carries insurance, because we have a minor with special needs. Now, granted, he's not going to be a minor in 4 months, but after that, I mean, we need a workable solution to the insurance problem she's had, and I can let her explain that to you if we need, if the court wants.
Let's wait to address that. Sir, do you have any response to that?
Yeah, he's not going to be a minor in 2 weeks. I've carried insurance on this kid for 16 years, and you're telling me at the very end she wants to change it all of a sudden now? That makes 0 sense.
Okay, we're not right now. The question was and I might just have to order it. Are you willing to give them a copy? Whether or not they should have already had a copy or not is kind of irrelevant.
Yes, I can give a copy.
Okay.
I mail them every year, but I'll give a copy.
And Your Honor, he said that last time. We still don't have we still don't have cards.
I don't have your contact information. You never emailed me the paperwork neither that you said you were going to send.
Okay.
So where's that
It's
at?
Misty. You can.
He's talking about you, Mr. Will. He's talking about you. That's addressed to you.
Okay, yeah, and that has been provided to the OAG. Okay, and
you didn't send me the documentation you said you were going to send. So where's that at, huh?
Mr. Levonic, this is not appropriate to speak this way in court. Everyone take a deep breath. This issue shouldn't require a judge. Let me say that. And I understand you're upset and frustrated, but there's no need to act this way. His email address, I don't know if you have a copy of their pleading, but it should be on there.
Yeah, I need his physical address.
That's on there as well. It's all.
I mean, I can mail her cards right now. Is that what y'all want?
I think it's acceptable if you just send an email, like if you're able to either download or take a picture and just send it. I think that's all they're asking for.
Fine.
And because it is so controversial, I kind of want to get it over with and move on and just know it's done. Not have to address this next time we're in court.
That's fine. What's the email address
to be addressing?
Okay, you want to send it? You want to send it to Misty? Okay,
I can send it to her. Yeah, I can send it to her.
Misty. Tell him your email address.
Whoa, we're on YouTube. We're on YouTube. Please don't do that. If you can maybe put it in the chat to him.
I've got it. It's fine. I'll send it.
Okay, we're going to take a moment and give you a chance to do that. Let us know when it's done.
Go to my email.
Mhm.
It's on that document. It's on the docket it was sent. Her email's on there along with mine.
And this one,
Yeah, it should be on there.
that's just one that I read you.
Can I minimize this without getting?
No, it's gonna hang up.
Connectivity, just come back in.
Lindsay, I'm confused. What just happened with the judge?
I believe she's just waiting for the email to be sent.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Then one of these, I'm sure.
It is.
Oh, it's gonna be under completed document function.
I seen it in the thing the other day.
Hold on a second.
No.
It's the original document.
Hey, what happened to the deal here? I'm not even on here.
What did you do?
Can y'all hear me?
Yes, sir.
Oh, for some reason my screen cut out. Hey, can you, Misty, if she can hear me, just text me your email address because I can't get it to pull up. I did see it in some documents yesterday, and I'll send it right now, but I cannot get it to pull up.
Misty, you're going to do that?
I'm doing it now.
Okay.
Why is my picture gone?
It's sent.
Okay, I got it. All right, email that to there. Hey, give me your phone.
It's not working from my phone. It didn't work earlier.
Oh, it's not? Let me see it.
But wait, goes to it.
Can I just text it? Hey, can I just send this on text?
I sent him through text.
So the only thing I would ask is how do we prove that on here? Because I will tell you, my Blue Cross Blue Shield cards are individual to the person.
Do you have that card?
We sent him.
I've sent you his
I have
card.
not received anything since 2019, Your Honor, when it was requested in court for him to provide.
I am not the arbiter of, at this point, there's no official discovery as far as I know. There's no motion to compel on file. Some of these things have to be discussed offline and investigated. I can't be coordinating how information gets disseminated.
We'll resend it.
I'll
Okay.
resend it. I'll get them.
If she's questioning that insurance card covers the child, someone needs to pick up the phone and call the insurance company.
Okay, I'll call right now.
No, not, I don't,
Oh,
this is not my role. I'm not here to it might make this case go better if I did this,
Yeah.
but I don't think it's appropriate for me to coordinate communication between you two.
And I understand, and I appreciate that. The
Mhm.
AG's attorney asked me, and I provided the paperwork from Blue Cross that shows who's all listed on the insurance that I carry. So you can get it right off your employer. I appreciate it.
Yeah, Your Honor, I
mean,
believe the primary issue before the court today is which parent should be required to carry the health insurance, and if it is Miss McBride, whether Mr. Levanek should have to reimburse her for that.
Okay, and we have also unreimbursed medical claims that are in dispute as well, but they're not being addressed today.
They're not being addressed today, Your Honor.
Right.
Okay. But I am inclined to address this issue when we address unreimbursed medical, since it's all unreimbursed medical. And it sounds highly contested, and it sounds like more information might be needed. It sounds like this child has at least one, possibly two insurances right now.
correct.
And so it's just a matter of who's going to
Okay.
get some credit and who's not going to get some credit. Is that true?
Okay.
Okay.
Well,
That-
you're right.
that's-
Okay. So, Your Honor, I mean, as I understand it, he's representing today that the child is on his insurance.
Yes.
Is that right,
It's been on my
Mr.
insurance
Levonic?
for 16 years.
Okay. I mean, we'd like to address that today, Your Honor, but I understand you wanting to do all of it. But I still, again, I would like his physical address.
that would be included in a temporary order.
Are you asking for Mr. Levonic's physical address?
Yes.
Okay, that will be included in the temporary.
Okay.
Mr. Levonic did provide that to me, and it would be included in a temporary order.
Okay. Okay. It's not a PO box though.
No, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Mhm.
I do believe we have an agreement as to what the current child support should be, though, and when it should start.
Okay.
If we could maybe get a temporary order just as to that issue.
Yes, I think that would be appropriate. And I do believe this was set today to at the very least deal with that issue to get a new child
Yeah.
support amount.
That is my understanding, Your Honor.
And Mr. Levonic, is that true? There's an agreement on that issue?
I guess.
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Gill, you believe there's an agreement on that issue as well?
Insurance information.
Yes, going back to May 1st and a current child support, I'm sorry, of 2048, I believe.
Okay. And that's the agreement, Mr. Levonic?
Yes. Hey, can I send y'all in the insurance information and be done with that?
Well,
I'm
Go
not
ahead.
sure who you're
I'm sorry.
talking to.
I don't know who it needs to go to. I guess the judge, but I can send that in today and email that in.
I believe the AG's office has discovery that would request that information. So at the very least, you need to submit it. I would recommend you send it to the AG and Mr. Gill.
Okay.
And I am going to say, if this is a big issue, and I'm not sure how much it's going to be going forward because your child's getting older, but if this is an issue of who's going to provide insurance, this is a lot more, especially if there is a special needs child involved. This is a lot
Who's
more
got
than whose is
special
cheaper or whose is, so please come to trial with information about the insurance, the child's doctors, what's provided, what's not provided, what it covers, what the needs are for the child, and what the insurances do or don't provide and cover. Because all of that really should go into this decision, not just it costs me X and it costs that X, and co-pays, deductibles. If the better you can present this to me and convince me yours is better, the better you will do.
Your Honor, he is not special needs. He has special services that he has to seek because his pituitary gland doesn't work. So he's on a monthly, very expensive medicine. And with his insurance being a primary insurance, if in fact he's carrying it, I cannot afford the copays or his deductible, hence the reason why the April case is set, because he doesn't pay them. And therefore, I can't call because I don't get explanation of a benefit, and I can't call to dispute any kind of charges if I feel that they're overcharged. I don't get any explanation of benefit if his insurance is primary. We've run into issues. Greg has tried to contact him at one point when I reached out to Greg to address the help of the primary secondary, because Aetna at the time when I had him would not address that as a secondary insurance. So that's all I asked to be presented as primary.
Yeah, but that was years ago when you had it. Now I think you have Blue Cross Blue Shield with Brad, correct?
I've just recently switched to Blue Cross Blue Shield because Exxon changed to Blue Cross Blue Shield. However, your deductible is $3,750 and ours is not that. And I can't afford to pay your deductible and your copays because you do not reimburse. And we've gone to court for the third time on that.
That's our problem.
Okay, Mr. Levonic, why do you want to keep the insurance? What is it? Why does it matter?
I mean, I don't have to, but I'm not reimbursing her for it.
That's the issue.
I mean,
Your Honor,
why don't you want to reimburse her for it? Does it not cost you money to have the insurance as well?
Do what now?
Why don't you want to? Right now, don't you have to pay for your insurance for children on there?
So my child support is going up $1,000 more a month, and now I'm supposed to all of a sudden pay her part of the insurance copay as well, when I can simply carry them on mine.
Okay, why don't we
Okay,
present
I
evidence
think-
this month so I'm not having a conversation with people? Let's just
Okay.
address everything. We'll hear this case twice.
Do our best.
So in final, we're going to get the
We're hearing
address.
some evidence. We're going to hear evidence. I'm going to give you all 30 minutes like other associate judges do, and let's see where we can get.
Okay.
15 minutes each side.
Okay, right now
Yes,
on the insurance. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
May I call my first witness?
you may do so.
Okay. Ms. McBride, will you introduce yourself to the court?
Misty McBride.
Okay. And tell me, you're asking the court today to be primary on your son's health insurance. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Okay. And tell me, what's the reason for that?
Because I've not received a card, nor do I know what insurance he's being carried on since 2019 when it was forced back in 2019 judgment for this same exact reason. I'm not able to talk to any of the insurance companies because I'm not a policy nor the wife to discuss the children's needs. Children at this point, I'm not able to dispute anything on the explanation of a benefit because I don't receive anything, so I'm flying blind. I had to have an MRI done because of his deductible being so high. His deductible was going to cost me $3,000 for an MRI. So I immediately put him on my insurance and it was going to cost like $1,500, but got it down. I don't get the EOBs. And again, he doesn't pay his 50% nor his deductible. So I'm paying everything from deductibles to copays to co-insurance and having to fight in court to get him to reimburse his portion.
Okay. And that we're going to handle in April, but what's the reason you need the EOPs?
To understand the medical charges and understand what I can dispute when he's charged, because Jake List is on a very specialized medication for his pituitary gland, as well as he's got ADHD.
Okay. And I was going to ask you, does he have any other special needs?
Just really the pituitary gland where he takes endocrinologists, a specialist, and has to see those, and he has to do like stem tests to ensure and monitor his blood just to make sure that there's not too much growth hormone in his system on a yearly basis. And then of course the ADHD, attention deficit disorder, hyper disorder.
Okay. Okay. Any other reasons you would like to make your insurance primary?
It's a lot cheaper. I mean, I've produced the information to the AG with all of the deductibles information this morning. You can see with what I just sent you, Mr. Quill, the copay on his insurance card is like $3,750 for his. So it really saves the both of us when I'm not being reimbursed for medical copays or deductible. It's cheaper on me because I can't afford his.
Okay. Now the reimbursement for things that are not covered is currently 50% for him, 50% for you, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And I think we're not understanding one another, not me and you, but I think the parties here, that you're not willing to give that up, the 50%.
No, sir.
Okay. I think that's all the questions I have, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Simone, do you have any questions for her?
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. McBride, is the insurance that you carry for your son, is that through your employer?
It's through my husband's now.
Okay. And what is the cost of the insurance that you have?
So did you send the sheet this morning, Mr. Quill?
Yes.
Or I have the information here. We
We'll
did
just read
send
it off for.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
For the employee plus family for dental is $53.14. And you said no vision. Let's see. And medical, employee plus family PPOA is $535.
Okay. And how many
Okay.
how many people are covered on that plan?
There's 4.
Okay.
My 2 kids and me and my husband.
Okay. And I believe when we divided that out, it came to $134 per month for your child.
147 is what you.
The numbers are separate, but it's $134 for the health insurance, correct? For his portion?
I believe That's, yeah, just for the medical portion, not for the dental.
Okay, and you're asking for reimbursement for that premium?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And I believe the dental came out to $13 for Jager, is that correct?
I believe that was correct.
Okay,
What's
and
wrong
you're
with my dental?
also asking for reimbursement for that amount?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And that's all I have for this witness at this time, Your Honor.
Okay. Mr. Levinak, do you have any questions for Ms. McBride?
So one of them is like, why is vision and dental an issue? That's never even been an issue. I can understand her fight on the medical side.
Sir, so these are questions to her for her to answer. It's not argument. It's not trying. It's questions to her.
Just nothing. I ain't got nothing.
Did you want her to answer the question about why is vision and dental an issue? You need to
Yeah.
stop after the question so she has a chance to answer it. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you answer that question?
Number one, I don't even know who his vision and dental is through. I've never received a card. And it renews every year in October, so I would think I would get new cards, or if anything changes, I would be notified, and I haven't since 2019. And I have the envelope that Cynthia, his wife, mailed to me with the insurance card document and that.
Mr. Gill, you can call your next witness.
Okay, that's, I believe that's all I need, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Simone, do you have any witnesses you'd like to call?
Yes, Your Honor. The state will call Mr. Levanek. Mr. Levanek, do you currently cover health insurance?
I do.
Okay, and is that through your employer?
Yes.
How long have you carried health insurance for Jacob?
16 years.
Okay. Do you, how many people are on your insurance plan?
5.
Okay. And is that you, your wife, and 3 children?
Yes.
Okay. Is your insurance, is that a family plan?
It's a family plan.
And do you know the cost of that health insurance?
Not right now. No, I don't. I've given that information to you guys when we were in last, but I don't have it in front of me right now.
Okay. Do you carry health or dental insurance for?
Yes.
Okay. Is
According
that
to
part
the court system, I have to.
Okay.
So yes.
Okay. And I will go ahead and pass the witness.
Mr. Gill?
Okay. Ma'am, or sir, I think you were saying you don't want to be responsible for any reimbursement. Is that right?
As far as what?
Medical expenses, anything that's out of pocket that you guys have to pay.
That's not what I'm saying. No, that's not
okay.
what
That's
I'm
fine.
saying.
I just want to make sure.
Yeah.
Now, the how many people did you say are on your insurance right now?
5.
Okay. Are 2 of those your stepchildren?
Yes.
Okay. So you've got, well, hold on. Okay. Your daughter who is aged out, is she on that health insurance as well?
No, my daughter's 10.
Okay. I'm
My
sorry.
daughter who lives with me is 10.
Okay. You have another daughter, don't you?
Yes. She's aged
Okay.
out.
Okay. Is she still covered on your health insurance? I'm just curious.
No, my company don't allow that because she don't live in my household.
Okay. I think that's all I have, Your Honor.
Does anyone have any other witnesses?
I do not.
Your Honor, may I put on some testimony as to what I believe is the agreement toward the child support obligation?
You may, and then I'm going to let Mr. Levanek speak, but I'm going to let you go first
Okay.
just in case he wants to respond to the agreement. So
Okay.
Okay.
I'll read the agreement that I believe is what I believe the agreement is. I believe the parties have agreed, let me find my notes, that Mr. Levanek's new child support obligation will be $2,048 per month, and that will backdate to May 1st of 2025. That's based upon a gross income of average of $16,538.25 per month, and Mr. Levanek is getting credit for 1 other child. And I believe that is the extent of that agreement.
Okay. Mr. Levanek, the state does not represent you, and neither does Mr. Gill. So I'm going to give you a chance to speak if there's anything additional you think I need to hear. Mr. Gill, feel free to make any, or Ms. Simone, any legal objections that you think are proper.
Okay.
Mr. Levonick, you may speak.
You said me speak?
Yes, yeah. If there's
Oh.
anything that you'd like to add
Okay.
to this, because you don't
I
have an
just-
attorney to ask you questions like she did.
correct.
So
Okay.
this is in lieu of that.
Okay, so my deal is we're at the end of this, and I don't understand why we're in such a ruckus and everything just getting bent over the barrel at the very end of this. Let's just be done and get over with it.
Are you is that it, sir?
That's it. That's it.
Okay. Well, Your Honor, we've been going through this, I think, since April of 2024. We've had at least 3, maybe 4 resets, and it seems to benefit Mr. Levonick because my client is still, trying to scrape by with the copays that he has refused to pay. And I think what we've got right now, again, we're going to go back to $2,048 a month starting on May the 1st, and then we'll handle the cards situation, the insurance cards, when we come back in April. I don't think there's anything more.
And before I rule, does anyone have anything else they'd like to say?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. I'm going to render. I'm ordering temporary orders. In light of all I've heard and the issues going on, I am going to order the insurance through Miss McBride's spouse. I think it can even help you all because it'll be less communication about this issue, which is clearly an issue between you two. And so hopefully this will help with some of that, as well as hopefully it will save both of you money in the long run. It is up to you, sir, if you want to leave your child on your insurance as a secondary or not. How much that will help, I do not know.
From here till May, like from this day forward?
Until your child emancipates.
Okay.
That is where we are right now.
Okay.
And so hopefully the AG's office will get this drafted quickly, and then hopefully the national medical support notices will go out, because I guess someone's going to need to let his company know that they no longer have to honor the old one.
Yes, Your Honor.
So does his child support need to be recalculated? Because I am going to order cash medical support. That's in the family code. Will that affect the amount at all, or is it?
I believe the amount was above cap already.
So it's not going to affect.
It should
okay.
not change, no.
Okay, just want to be sure. So that being said, I'm going to order that he pay the child support of $2,048 per month beginning May 1st, 2025. I'm going to order cash medical support, but I'm starting that now at March 1st. So the cash medical support was it 113?
It was 134, Your Honor.
134. Okay. So I'm ordering cash medical support of $134 per month from Mr. Levonick to Ms. McBride beginning March 1st of 2026. And then I'm ordering Mr. Levonick to pay her dental support of $13 per month beginning March 1st of 2026.
Hey, does this go through? I'll pay this through the Attorney General, correct?
Yes, it all goes through the state disbursement
Okay.
unit. It's just like,
Okay.
it goes just like child support.
Yep.
And then when they receive it, they allocate it pursuant to the family code of which
Okay.
bucket it will get applied to. Whether it goes to child support, dental support, arrears, all of that.
Yeah.
But they follow the law when they receive the money and apply it appropriately.
Okay.
If I may ask a question, Your Honor, the income withholding order, do you want me to prepare that, or is that going to be done by the OAG?
The OAG will do that, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. That's fine.
Yeah, that should go automatically. And you're able to handle the medical support notices.
We're able to send those.
Okay, so Mr. Gill doesn't need to do anything to terminate Mr.
No,
Levonick.
we should be able to handle that.
Okay. I just want to make sure that gets addressed. Okay, So the state's going to draft this temporary order.
Your Honor, are we returning for final on April 9th?
Yes, that is still the final trial date. Is everyone ready for April 9th, 2026 at 8:30 a.m.? And that's in person in Chambers County. And it should be
Yes,
the
ma'am.
same courtroom we were in last time.
Okay.
Is this going to be on Zoom?
I'm sorry?
Is this going to be in a Zoom or in person?
That's going to be in person, the final trial, because it's the unreimbursed medical is going to be addressed that day.
Mhm.
And if you remember, that was really voluminous.
So I've been trying to negotiate. I'm going to be in the middle of a plant shutdown that week. It's going to be a 3-week turnaround. So I can't make that date. I tried to negotiate today and nobody would give. So, I mean, it is what it is.
And Your Honor, we're contending that wasn't a good faith negotiation, number one, and number
That's
two.
neither here nor
my
there. It's don't worry about that.
Sorry, I just lost you, Your Honor.
I don't know. You're here. I'm just thinking about what we can do here. It was April 9th.
Your Honor, did we just reset that because he was supposed to go get a lawyer? I mean, I've been on turnaround as well. I'm actually off the clock right now. So, I mean, I've had those struggles this whole time of trying to get into court and having to take off work as well. And this is a third reset for me, just in the
You
same
reset the one in
situation.
October. The one in October was because you were in a turnaround and couldn't make it. I can't control what these jobs do.
There's vacation, Your Honor.
Well, and I'm not resetting this for another 3 months. So that's what I'm looking at right now. When was this?
I can see what I can do on my end.
When can you let people know? Because this is,
I'll talk to my job and see what I can do.
you can't be there. Let your lawyer know once you get your lawyer to let Mr. Gill know, because this is going to be, if we do need to move this, I'm going to need to arrange court space specially for you.
No, that's fine. Let me see what I can do.
Because I'm not resetting this for, so it will need to be specially set, and I will have to arrange a courtroom.
You want me to tentatively say April 9th?
Yes, it sounds like that's been the date all along.
Also, are we going to circulate this order or need an entry date?
I guess we can set an entry date. Is everyone available to just wait a little bit? It shouldn't take that long to draft.
I can't make any guarantees. It would probably be better to go offline and do it.
Okay.
But I can have it prepared pretty quickly.
My only concern is if we set an entry date and we use that entry date, it's going to delay getting this done till March 5th. I mean, I guess we could do this on Zoom and just do like a pref set on Zoom if it doesn't get submitted to me. Let's do that. We're at February 5th. Do you want to do a pref set on Zoom on Friday the 13th? And if everyone signs off before then, no one has to show.
That sounds good to me.
Okay, if there's a drafting dispute, we can all log into Zoom and hash out the drafting dispute.
What time would you like that to be set?
Mr. Gill, do you have settings already that day that we should work around?
We're talking about March 15th now?
No, February 13th, just an entry date in case there's a drafting issue.
Okay.
Yeah, hopefully no one needs to show, but if they do, that's fine. We'll hash out the issue.
And what is it for the child support portion?
Yeah, it's just for this temporary order. It's just an entry date. She's going to work on it, but it sounds like it's going to take some time because their system is. I
never really know, so.
Okay, that's fine with me, Your Honor.
Yeah, and if you all end up, she's going to try to circulate it well in advance of that.
I'm going to try to do it today. I'm going to try to have it circulated today.
Yeah, so if you all end up signing off on it and you all know everyone signed off on it, then no one needs to show that day.
Okay.
This is only in case someone receives that order and says, I don't agree, like, this is not what was ordered, it shouldn't be drafted this way. And then we'll all come in and someone can explain why they think it's drafted wrong, and then people can explain their positions, and then I'd make a ruling on the drafting. It rarely happens. Oh, and in case I wasn't clear, the 50-50 on unreimbursed medical still stands. I don't think I said that, but I did
yes,
not
ma'am.
change that. Yeah, that has not been modified.
Hey, so is the child support still going to start March 1st, correct?
The cash medical is starting March 1st. The child support of 2048 started May 1st for the
No,
agreement.
I'm talking about when it starts, when y'all start pulling it again. Like this coming up March. Is that what you said?
Oh, I understand. Yes, that should,
Yeah.
you'll probably see it for the first time on your paycheck. I would guess.
I was gonna say, it
Okay.
depends on how he's paid.
Yeah.
So,
I would guess.
Okay.
I try to get the orders processed quickly so that can
Okay.
start as soon as possible.
All right, fair
Yeah.
enough.
yeah. And honestly, if you all agree to it and are able to sign off, the sooner you can sign off, the sooner it can go through the
Yes.
processes.
Absolutely.
Do you want me to try and move the entry up even from there? I wanted to be sure.
I feel confident that we'll have it done amongst us. But
Okay. So Mr. Gill, is there, if we do need a hearing that day, do you have settings already, like at 9 that we should work
No,
around?
okay, for February 13th, I'm fine.
Okay. So, do you all want to do 9 o'clock? Why don't we do 9 o'clock? And then if we don't need it, we can just not show.
Okay.
I may ask Mr. Gill, is the email address you emailed me from this morning a good email address for you to send a DocuSign?
Yeah, service, SERVICE
Service.
at GUILL.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Is that everything we need, Your Honor?
I believe this is everything we need today, and she'll be circulating that. I may or may not see you on the 13th, and then I will see you all on April 9th.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you all.